What if I told you that the words sitting in your mind right now, the stories you have never told, the thoughts you have kept hidden, could be the exact thing that makes you a millionaire? That writing online is no longer just a hobby for bloggers or journalists, but a gateway to life-changing wealth for anyone bold enough to start typing. In this new digital economy, attention is currency, and words are the most powerful form of value exchange on the internet. This is your moment to cash in. Welcome to How Writing Online Could Make You a Millionaire, a blueprint for beginners to build generational wealth from scratch using only a keyboard and a clear intention. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how ordinary people with no credentials, no followers, and no money built online empires through writing. More importantly, I will show you how you can do it too, starting today. Because your story matters, your knowledge matters, and the marketplace of ideas is starving for your voice. But before we dive in, let us begin with the truth. Every millionaire writer started as a beginner, with doubts, with zero audience, and only their desire to create and a willingness to be seen. The world rewarded them because in the digital age, value flows to those who share it freely and consistently. Now here is the plan. Step 1 is identity. What do you care about so much that you would write about it for free? What could you speak on endlessly without getting bored? This is your writing niche. Whether it is self-improvement, finance, health, tech, relationships, travel, productivity, or parenting, your niche is not a limitation. It is a launch pad. Step 2 is platform. Decide where you'll publish: Medium, Substack, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, even your own blog or newsletter, and commit to showing up on that platform daily or weekly. You do not need to be on all platforms, but you do need to be consistent on one. Consistency beats brilliance in the long run. Step 3 is content. Great writing is not about sounding smart. It is about being useful. Be practical, be personal, be real. Every piece of writing should either solve a problem, inspire action, or tell a story that sticks. Learn to write headlines that trigger curiosity and openings that make people keep reading. Use short sentences, clear formatting, and visual storytelling to make your message easy to absorb. Step 4 is monetization. Once your writing attracts readers, it attracts opportunities. You can sell ebooks, offer coaching, launch a paid newsletter, write sponsored posts, build a digital product, or even ghostwrite for high-level clients. Writing builds trust, and trust is the most valuable asset on the internet. Step 5 is leverage. Repurpose your writing across multiple platforms. A Twitter thread becomes a Medium article, which becomes a podcast episode or a YouTube script. Scale your message across formats. Use SEO to attract organic traffic and affiliate links to earn while you sleep. Step 6 is collaboration. Partner with others in your niche. Guest post, co-author, interview, collaborate on content. When you write with and for others, you accelerate your growth and tap into new audiences. Step 7 is learning. Every great writer is also a great reader. Study writing daily. Analyze what works. Take courses, read books, and follow successful creators in your niche. Your skills compound over time, and with every post, you get sharper, faster, more magnetic. Step 8 is mindset. You must understand that imposter syndrome is the final gate before success. Feeling like you are not good enough means you are growing. Keep going anyway. Do not wait for perfection. Publish when it is 80% ready and learn from the feedback. Step 9 is branding. Turn your name into a signal of value. Use a consistent voice, bio, and aesthetic so readers know what to expect from you. Show up with authenticity and clarity, because people do not follow content, they follow humans. Step 10 is vision. Millionaire writers are not just content creators. They are entrepreneurs who use writing as leverage. They think long-term, build assets, and create systems that grow without them. Do not just chase followers, chase freedom. And remember this, the words you write today could be the seeds of a digital empire tomorrow. Now you may be asking, but why me? Why would anyone read what I write? The answer is simple, because there is someone out there right now searching for your exact perspective, your experience, your voice. When you share it, you are not just writing words, you are creating impact, wealth, and legacy. So take the first step. Write your first article. Tweet your first idea. Publish your first post. Because perfection is the enemy of momentum, and clarity only comes through action. If this video lit a fire in you, then like it because that energy matters. Comment below with what you will write about, because your declaration is your activation. Subscribe and join us on this journey, because every video we release is another tool to sharpen your voice and amplify your success. Watch our playlist How You Can to dive deeper into the wealth-building tools hidden in plain sight. The internet has leveled the playing field, and the pen is now more powerful than ever. Your million-dollar writing journey starts with one post, one platform, one powerful decision. Make it now.